Hi guys! Our first Mentos Soda experiment didn't work. Why? This is why. When we poured the soda into the volcano chamber and dropped the Mentos, it did not create an eruption like a volcano spitting out lava. We learned that when you pour soda into a different container, it makes the carbon dioxide escape. Carbon dioxide is a chemical compound that consists of two oxygen atoms bonded to a carbon atom. A bottle of soda is full of carbon dioxide, the bubbles. The bubbles stay suspended in the liquid until the bottle is opened. Now, our objectives are, firstly, to determine which bottle has a good reaction. The newly opened one or the transferred one. Second, so that we will not waste gallons of soda and packs of Mentos. Not only we are saving money, especially in this pandemic, we are also saving our environment by minimizing the use of plastic or recycling reusable materials, like my grade 3 science project last year. I made a 3-in-1 lampshade, flashlight, and water jug using plastic bottles. You can create anything using plastic bottles. The only limit is your imagination. Welcome to Zaza's and Zizi's Fun Ventures, where learning is having fun. And now for the fun part, the experiment. Follow me. Oh, my little sister Zaza is here already. Now for the experiment. Let's go. Yeah. Let's do the transferred one. We're going to use different kinds of soda. Okay, now that's it. Now let's see what happens. Nothing's happening. For the Mountain Dew, nothing happening. Let's try Coke. Sure it doesn't overflow. Whoa! It does erupt! Whoa! Coke, it did erupt. A bit. What should we do next, Zaza? Drop the Mentos in. Wow! Oh my gosh! That's nice. So my observations are...
Again, Zaza.
Now, let's do the newly opened one. Fire in the hole! It's bigger! Wow! This is so amazing. The newly opened one does have a greater reaction. Let's try this large Sprite. I heard a fizz. That's the carbon dioxide. Fizz? Whoa! Whoa! Oh my gosh! That's so cool.
Close ka na ka. one more.
Drop!
No more na, no more. Just a piece.
Huh. Already released. Well, that explains. Whatever the size, water, the eruption is the same as long as it's newly opened. Therefore, I conclude that a minimum amount of 1 Mentos dropped in a newly opened bottle of soda will create a greater geyser eruption than the transferred one. The more Mentos you drop, the greater the reaction will be. That's it for our experiment today, guys. Go ahead and try it out. You'll enjoy it, I guarantee. Bye! And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Like and subscribe. Bye!
Ta-ta. Bye.
How do I transfer the soda to the volcano without even making the carbon dioxide escape? Well, that's for another video, guys. Another experiment. Bye!